Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm doing a review of AIWA22, an upgraded cloud software that creates websites for clients in several different unique ways that you could sell for $500 to $1,000 each to small businesses. And when I first heard about this software, I thought, oh no, not another website builder. But then I logged on, and this comes with some very creative and time-saving ways to create nice HTML websites for local businesses that I haven't seen any other software, including enterprise type monthly payment softwares do. And I'm going to be going over exactly how you do that, as well as all the OTO information and the bundle information, so you don't need to jump on some sort of long webinar or anything like that. All right, so first, the way this works is you can create websites by auto-generating a site by providing a keyword. Create a full website from a keyword. You can import a site, for example, a client, like a local plumber client, sort of bad, outdated HTML site. You can import it and then fix it up for them. Or you can go to a new thing called themes and begin adding some themes here. But first, I want to point your attention to all these apps that have been integrated into this new version, including this website importer to import old or other websites. Add 360 spin videos, a way to integrate booking and calendars for clients to take appointments, and all these different services here that you can add to your websites. All right, so what we can do is go to themes, and these are brand new themes integrated into this website builder that you can first choose from to create websites from. So for example, we can go to lawyer here, and there's a law theme, and there's many different websites in all these different types of niches. And we can click install, and then we can choose all of the pages we want to install. For example, our team, services, a blog if you want, contact, or we can just have like a standard home page. Give it a title and then an email address. And it's going to go ahead and create it. All right, then we can go to our dashboard and begin editing it. We go to our site here, so Law 1. And first we can go over here to edit the site. All right, so it's basically going to pull up a very simple editor where you can point and click, change out the images, change out the text here to anything we want, and we can edit different pages. Now I only picked one page to create, but if we created like the About page, we can click to the About page. If we created the blog, we can edit the blog page. All right, and then we also have these guidelines here that help us edit it very easily as well as like choosing a full text site, color, background. Then what we can do is go ahead and connect our domain. So if we want to use our own domain, this is like a test site that hosts it, or we can connect our own. And then we can go ahead and publish it. All right, now let's go back to the site, and we can go ahead and make toggle the published on and off. We can preview it. We can share it. So we can give like just restricted access to the client. We can let everyone see it. And also what you can do is you can do this thing called Pwa Option. Now what this is going to do is if we click it, is it will create a mobile app, an iOS app, and an Android app for this site. So whenever someone goes and visits the site, what it will do is it will make an app that will be downloaded to their phone or desktop that then will send notifications to the user. So this will help people interact with it more and be able to order or find their services from their app. So that's a very cool new feature as well. You can also duplicate it and rename it. Right, also what we can do is create a site from just a keyword or two. Type in a category. For example, if we want to create an art website for like a local art studio, we just type in art and design and then give it a name. Then it will go ahead and start creating the website for us. It will give like a cool background image. We can use one of these. If you don't like that one, we can maybe use a different image like that. We can upload a logo. If you don't have one, you can just hit next like that. If you don't see this next button, I just made the screen bigger to make things easier to click. Then we can choose like our site color combination. So right now we have like this lime green. I think it's better to use like gray maybe instead of like gray, green, and tan instead of like that lime green. Then we can have different styles, like style 3 has, review us, call us now, write us, like more of a lead capture style. Style 4 is sort of like this bigger navigation bar. I like style 3 actually, and I was playing around with this. Then we can choose text if you want, like the body text color, and then we start adding things like our address or the address of the business, of course their Facebook, YouTube link, phone number, and then hit finish, and then it created our site for us. All right, then we can go ahead and edit anything that we missed. Obviously, you probably want to go ahead and make sure that all the copy was how you want it. Instead of like introduce yourself, you want to add welcome to our art studio here, and then give the local business art studio's name. Make sure like the link goes to their lead form or whatever it is. And then we just go ahead and publish it like we did the other site. And then finally, the other way is to import a site. And we can do this by entering a website URL. So for example, you find a really great plumber site that you want to use as a layout for a brand new plumber client. You can enter their website URL. It will go ahead and take all the elements from the website. And of course, what you want to do then is edit out their photos, any copyright information, and put in the new business's one, but keep that like cool layout that they have. That's a good idea for that as well. And then we can of course go to the dashboard and play around with any of these sites, download them, and then sell them for at least $500 to $1,000 per local business client. All right, so pretty cool. Let's go over the upsells. Now the front end version will be available for a low one-time price. It will increase every few hours, and you'll be getting everything I just told you. Now there are some upsells, including a bundle deal where you get everything for a one-time price. Now upsell 1 will be, I'm told, $67 a year. And you can get the unlimited website license and mobile apps license, unlimited pages, set up unlimited subdomains, and advanced SSL. Now there is an option on there is an unlimited license. There's not an unlimited license on the front end version, but there is still like a lot of, you'll be able to create a lot of sites per month. But on the front end version, you can get rid of all restrictions. You can also have subdomains, advanced SSL, unlimited 360 videos. Basically, this is the unlimited license where you can get unlimited SSL, unlimited domains, unlimited pages. You never have to worry about limits. Now, Upsell 2 is called the professional license. This unlocks features including removal of AIWA22 branding. Some websites that you import might have this at the bottom. You can get rid of that. You will get the a more advanced website import and export feature. You'll make the websites faster to load for Google, ability to auto-translate different languages, new autoresponder integrations, and reseller panel to resell it to 50 accounts. Upsell 3 is the agency license. They're saying that it's $59. This will allow you to give access to AIWA to clients and allow them to start creating the websites and customizing them. Plus, it can give you the option to get custom PayPal checkout, add featured samples of services, add client testimonials, allow clients to schedule appointments, and many more features with the agency license. Basically makes it into like an e-commerce site now. Upsell 4 is the white label. Then you could white label the software. They don't have no idea it's associated with the AIWA brand. This is very important, especially if you demo this or you want to give clients access to create the site themselves or touch it up. And then finally, you'll get an AIWA done for you, which gives ready-made 100 local business websites you can sell right away with e-commerce integration. There will be a bundle deal. If you get it through my link, you'll get the bundle deal at the lowest price possible, plus a special bonus coupon as well. So be watching for that on my review page and in my email. And it will only be available for the lowest price on the initial webinar. So there probably will be some other webinars you'll get invited to. The bundle deal will be higher. So make sure to get on that very early initial first webinar for the lowest possible price, plus access to use the coupon code. All right, so hopefully this covered everything about AIWA. Obviously, I think it's a pretty creative app, a lot different than all the other website builders. And hopefully this was a comprehensive review.